Okay, the very last question on the 2009 January Regents Math A exam. It says the daily high temperature for the month of February in New York City were, and then they give a list of temperatures. Okay, and it says complete the table below, and then use the table to construct a frequency histogram for these temperatures on the accompanying grid. And the grid is out of the screen. In fact, the grid is right below the table, but we're going to complete the table and then go and do the histogram on the grid. So the best way to do this is to just mark things off one by one and then put a little X through them or cross through them just as you finish doing them. So 34 degrees, I'm going to put a tally for 34 degrees, cross it off. 37 degrees, put a tally for 37 degrees, cross it off. 31 degrees, put a little tally for 31 degrees, cross it off. And I'm going to do that for the rest of these. So 36, put a little tally for 36, then cross it off. 30, put a tally for 30, cross it off. 32, put a little tally for 32, cross it off. Another one for 32, so another one for 32, cross it off. 34, 34. This gets a little bit tedious, but you get the idea. 30, cross it off. 37, cross it off. 31, that, and then cross it off. 30, there's another one for 30, and cross it off. There's another one for 30, and cross it off. Another one for 31, put one down for 31, cross that off. Another one for 36, 36, cross it off. 34, 34, cross it off. 36, 36, cross. 32, 32, cross. 32, 32, cross. 30, and there, cross. 37, cross. 31, 1, cross. 36, 36, cross. 32, 32, cross. 31, 31, cross. 36, 36, cross. 31, 31, cross, and 35. There we go, 135. All right, so now we're done with that. Okay, and it didn't take all that long. We have all little tallies marked. We have 5 for 30 degrees. We have 6 for 31 degrees. We have 5 for 32 degrees. 0 days that were 33 degrees. 3 that were 34 degrees. 1 that was 35. 5 that were 36. And 3 that were 37. Now we're going to go and make a frequency histogram for these temperatures. And here is our grid down there, right? And we're going to put the frequency, A-N-C-Y, frequency, looks like an H, but it's an N, okay, frequency, on this axis, and, oops, on this axis, we're going to put the temperature. Okay, so we'll use every other line will represent 1 degree. So that will be, let's see, what's our range here? From 30 to 37 degrees. So that'll be, oops, there, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. Just marking it off by 2s, and underneath we'll put 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. Okay, so obviously we didn't have anything that was past 37 degrees, but you know, we've got it there. Now it's pretty easy. So for 30 degrees, we've got 5, right? So for 30 degrees, we just go up, and we'll count these by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, how many do we have? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the most we had was 6, so yeah, we really can't use a scale of 2. We best use a scale of 1. So let me put that down there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, I'm using a mouse. It's kind of hard to write these numbers here. Now we're in the easy part of the graph. We've done all the hard, boring work. Now it's 30 degrees. We have 5, so we just go up to 5 and put a bar like that, and we're done. For 31 degrees, we have 6, so we go up to 6 and put a bar like that. For 32 degrees, there were 5 days, so we drop a bar like that for 32 degrees. For 33 degrees, there were 0 days, so we're not going to put anything. We're just going to leave it blank. For 34 degrees, there were 3 days, so we'll go up 1, 2, 3, like that. 35, there was 1 day, so there's that. 36 degrees, we had 5 days, so again we go up to 5, like this. And for 37, we had 3 days, so 1, 2, 3, and have it like that. And that's your frequency histogram. All right, I hope this has been helpful, and good luck on the upcoming Regents.